With this kind of 300 point up move without really any serious pullback, you will have this kind of behavior. Market would just grind and grind and grind higher. Traders are going to get gray hair, waiting for a pullback, and then by the deep crowd are going to bitch all the time. Where is the pullback? Market is not giving us a pullback, and then the market would fall hard one day. That day could be just a strong down day negating a few previous up days, or maybe a trend down day, in which case you would see S&P dropping 2%, Nasdaq 3%, and VIX spiking very high. And then all of a sudden all of those people that were asking for a pullback now are breaking bad and turning from buyers to sellers, and all of a sudden they want to sell that, but they want to sell that here. They are not going to jump in here at the beginning. They are going to sell this here at the bottom or near the bottom, and not only that, they are going to hold that, and then these first up moves are going to be interpreted as the pullback of the down move, and not this as the pullback of this all up move. And a few days later, this whole trend down day or strong down day is going to be negated, and then when market goes above the high of that trend down day, you would get continuation to the upside, which is going to be fueled by short covering. And that is something that is happening again and again and again, many times. Almost the same, like these kind of false breaks above the previous highs, then they are going to make a range and drop. This kind of behavior is something that is usual. And the thing with the market today is that it got a very short-term oriented with development of many electronic platforms. Everybody is now available to trade, and many players. And market is really short-term oriented. That is a good thing for us. Many algorithms, many traders, that only means that market is going to be tamed, that market is going to be really good in technical terms on small time frames, that we are going to get good reactions from the zones, and that is something that we should really exploit. But on the other hand, we short-term traders, we are not the ones that are pushing this market up or down. The ones that are pushing this market up or down are dominantly long only funds. Those long only funds makes money only when the market is going higher, and they are going to do everything they can to keep that way. And big downside is only when those big guys are going to liquidate. So all of this is so far nothing. Bigger liquidation is going to be here. If market drops below this was the previous all-time high, 3040.